Hey guys, good day. How's everyone? Welcome to another episode of our home cooking series. Again, why our? Because this home cooking series will not only involve me, but it will also involve you. It will involve if ever you like home cooking, you advocate about home cooking, or you want to learn about home cooking, or if ever there are some recipes that you want to share, then this might be the venue for you. Before I proceed, I would like to thank everyone who supported, who commented, and suggested from the previous videos. Thank you so much. Salamat kaayo, and please continue supporting me. And thank you so much for this. For today's episode, the person who will be sharing her recipe, actually excited kay ko when she shared to me what she will be making. Kay ganahan di ko makahibaw. Actually, I've got niece, I've got nephews na ganahan dyan kay mukhaon. And guest for today, Miss Cicel Corazo. Hi, Cel.
Hi. Hi,
Kumusta?
guys. Okay
How are
lang.
you? How's
Okay lang.
ECQ doing?
Okay lang. Kasi used to nag-work yapon, pero grab more time to cook home cooked
Lagi.
meal.
Wala na kayo taka-travel.
Wala makaayo. So, sa food
Yeah,
na
I know
lang.
Cicel through couch surfing. So for those who doesn't know what couch surfing is, it's like an Airbnb, but actually it's for free. So you give travelers a place to stay, and the same way also you can stay in their places also, and it's a good way for you to know other. So, once yung recipe share today.
We are preparing today a famous and wanted dish called the Sisa Steam Fried Rice.
Is wow. So tanan kay bawgid tingali kung unsa na siya og asa siya popular.
Everybody knows simple the popular. Very simple dish, the kind of variation. This is my take on it. Also, and then you want something simple, yeah, available
Yes.
for someone. Yes, we have the about you can use half kilo or what you want 1/4 kilo if you don't have enough pork. Then you cube siya into like bite-sized pieces. And if matayingan mo, you have shrimp or prawns. If wala,
Okay.
we can use shrimp paste lang or kanang broth cube ganit.
Okay.
So to add more flavor, we have you can use pork cubes, chicken or sabang broth na cubes. We have
Mhm.
garlic and onion, then green
Mhm.
peas, and we have this cornstarch slurry. So it's just cornstarch with a mga 1/4 cup of water. So like, naman siya, i-mix it. Pwede na nakamake niya of some steam fried rice na kuan ang sesame oil. But if of course di available at this time, pwede
Oo.
not as aromatic and as flavorful di wala ang sesame oil.
Okay.
So if wala shrimp or prawns, you can go away with that. Is nalaman sa dinadagan ko. I think that's it so far. So, most of it na-prep naman nato. Like,
Okay.
you marinated into a little bit of soy sauce. For
Okay.
lang. And
So
then
again,
now,
going back, ang meat di marinate na to daan.
para mas kuan yun ang flavor. Nang dagdagan ang yun in any Filipino cooking, mama dun ang basic. So, garlic
Yes.
and onion, sauté. So, standard forgiveness. So, I'm sure everybody has this at home. Ako, usually so cloves or something. Ako, I want to add more. So, I use like 3 or 4 cloves. Depende
Mhm.
lagi sa, may kanindot sa cooking man. Depende sa your taste.
Yeah.
Mag-adjust lang. Wala din siya na recipe actually. If wala yun, if na, cook na yun sa whatever, pwede na yun. Dito na kasapo, like, i-fry mo ang pork. Then sa soy sauce and so a little bit of oil lang kaya nato may oil from the meat para itong mga
Yeah. Nako sa gali nakadaganon imong meat again?
pwede I use 1/2 kilo pero pwede na pud 1/4 if wala like nahusdan na mo kasi you can use any kind of meat, pork belly,
Yes, I was supposed to ask that.
buka. Basta anything na kanang soft, ganit, dali or sa maluto. Kaya itong mga
Okay.
tubig. Ang uban, mag-saute sila, unahang garlic, onion. Ako, just, idungan na, o sa una ang onions, kaya ang garlic, mas dali man mag-burn, pero,
Mhm.
naman po, just saute it together na lang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, gisa-gisa, ano until
Yes.
it's flavorful. 2 to 3 minutes naman ito. Yeah, I think brown na ba may once it's starting to brown, like bigid super brown. I-add na nimo ang meat.
Okay.
No worry, nindot na recipe, why sisik-sisik kaayo kay. Di man kayo tadaghag pa. Gamit ani.
Yeah.
Oh, even kids can do this kay I teach part-time and kuan.
Ay, okay.
So, mga bitag, akong students na grade 1 to grade 4, kasi nga, kabuha sa sila ani. So, it's
Oh,
very
nice.
easy na ikuan, pagpabangon ninyo yung kids. Kaya matalindot niya na banding activities mo, diba? Okay.
Yeah.
So, ato lang i-cook ang meat. So, for
Again, so kung wala shrimp gali later on sila yung alternative sa shrimp.
pwede na siya namin dalhan po nga ng shrimp cubes lang. Pwede na lang siya para nagsuan. Namin tayo pa na allergic day of shrimp. Hindi na.
Yes.
Namin pa na steam rice na
Wala shrimp.
So there, more or less, okay, maluto pa man ni later. Basta as long as wala na yung na kayo makita na things na then you can add in the shrimp.
Okay.
So at this point, you can add in your mga broth cubes na. So whatever is available, pork, chicken, beef, yeah, shrimp cubes. Then you can add in your soy sauce. So most of me, depende this is roughly about mga 1/4 cup. Pero
1/4 cup, okay.
You can add later or na-marinate na ang meat din na soy sauce plus napadin yung soy sauce. So we'll see later kung if it's salty enough, dili na kinanglan mag-add of salt. And we'll add water here. Mga probably 3 to 4 cups of water. Depende na sa din mo how thick you want it. Butangan ka muna na ito cornstarch.
Okay.
So,
So 3 to 4 cups if for a 1/2 cup, 1/2 kilo na siya, no?
at this point, kuan pa siya, liquid pa siya, di ba? So, ato lang siya i-simmer for about depende, until ka na mo
Malapot siya.
So, later, ang importante asad, ang sesame oil, later on na sa di-add konti, dali man siya mag-burn. So, at least,
Yeah. For sesame oil, also nakadaghan nga sesame oil.
sesame oil, it can be mga 1 teaspoon lang.
Again, pila na also nakadaghanon ang cornstarch?
Cornstarch is 2 tablespoons and then mga about 1/2 cup of water. Before that day ay prepare na nako daan. Ang part, ang pinaka-important na part, ang rice.
Okay. Naka-technique sa rice, like sa fried rice or something? Or pwede rin yung steamed rice na lang?
Better, di ba usually kuan paraan na rice. Kuan, dahil usually mo magtinangag ka na style. So, pwede na
Lagi.
mo i-prepare ahead. Or pwede around this time, while nag-simmer siya, pwede na mo pasta food.
Yeah. Bitaw, well, galuto siya actually. That's the time you can also fry the rice, right?
So everybody knows how to make fried rice, mansad. So mo sige kanindot sa cooking sa just review sa according to your
Naman sa kayo vlog, right? Or you teach man. Actually, I've seen some of your humba recipe. So where can we follow you, Gali, if ever you want to know some other recipes from you?
So, we have the Chad's Culinary Club na channel sa YouTube and then on Facebook. And actually, we're making cake, pero we're also sharing mga recipes, mga meals and mga bread, mga desserts. So, all around.
Yes.
So, sa Facebook, we are Chad's Cakes of Cebu. And then, sa Instagram, so ano siya?
Boil na.
So, this is the time. So, pwede nyo i-add ang cornstarch. Tawag slurry. Cornstarch slurry.
Okay. Yes.
So, at this point, pwede na ang sesame oil. And then your peas. Yeah. So, pwede na time, pwede na ninyo mo i-take. Kung if you need to adjust for the flavor. Normally, ako din naman kung mag-add kayo of sauce eh.
I think more than nakatag toyo. Yeah.
You can also add a little bit of pepper. Then nasa upuan. And then,
Yes.
afterwards, patikan na na ito gamay, pero this is it. Diba? Simple.
Yes,
Dali ra
that
ka,
was
you
quick.
will have less than an hour. Basta ta.
So, people watching will be very happy also. If for sure they miss some steam fried rice. Yeah. Mas lami biya gid na siya kanang murag fresh ba kay even though na i-deliveries karon, namang gi-deliveries pero murag lain kay kung dili siya init kanang dili bago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, matasab.
Yeah.
Daghan kaya ako kuan na pwede pa ni add more rice but kanila ko prepare na
Yeah.
rice.
Yeah, actually, because just in case if ever pwede mo buhaton by batch, right? Then ibutan lang sa ref or freezer, right? It can stay there for...
Pwede pa nini ma-save. So, probably, basta na sa freezer mo, last siya forever. Ano niya? Best part.
So, depende na kung gusto kag saucy or dili gusto og saucy, anak. Yan. Murag lamig jud sa tanawon, promise. Galaway na ko. You know what? I just ate before making this video. Karon gigutom kog balik. What did you do again? So, first, we marinated the meat, right? Overnight. Oh, kadyo to no? Marinate daan.
30 minutes lang. If you
Then,
the next time, 30 minutes.
Pananay ka saute lang dayon ka sa garlic and onions. Then, gibutan dayon ang pork nga gi-marinate. Then, after that, gibutan dayon nato ang water. Right?
Salt and water. At atong mga food. Actually, ang pork cube, pwede lang natin siya
Idungan sa water, right? Yes, I think so.
Before ibutang water para ma-break down sa taro. Pero anyway,
Yeah, after that, then wait for it to boil. Pag boil na, simmer. Yeah, that was quick. Then, butan dito sa sesame oil. Di, butan sa cornstarch di ay.
Sesame oil and the tea.
Yes, naman na dayon. Wow, that's so quick and so lami na dayon.
Thank you na for having me today, and then I hope buhat mo ani kay tayo na kayo sa recipe. And again, follow us sa among mga social media accounts. Thank you tayo.
Yeah, what's your social media account?
Sa Facebook, we are Chad Cakes of Cebu. Sa Instagram, it's Chad Cakes. Nga ako personal sa pero wala yung food dito for travel.
Sige. Okay, thank you so much again. Till next time. Bye-bye. That's it, guys. Bye. That's it, guys. Thank you so much, Giselle. Thank you so much. So, guys, steam rice, actually, buhaton yun din na nako siya mga unya. Kaya I think, bro, nara ko yung pork sa ako ang fridge. Then, wala. Most everything, bro, naraman yun yan sa mua. So, hope you learned something. Then again, please do, if ever you learned something, please do share it also. And if ever you want to share something, message me also. So, I am very much, again, open for comments and suggestions. And please don't forget to follow in Instagram, Facebook, and in Twitter. It would be Dookisave. It's DOOKIEXAVE. And the hashtag The Dentist is out for YouTube. Again, it's a very fresh channel. So that's why I'm doing this series for that channel also. Again, thank you so much for your support. And for this ECQ, continue learning. Yeah, try to do home cooking. Stay at home. Stay safe. Eat healthy. And just keep on smiling. Till next time. Bye-bye. Thank you.